Here are a couple of tips to get the absolute most out of your sandpaper. Now, I usually like to start with quarter sheets. I find this a very convenient size. And in order to use this entire surface here, I fold it in thirds. There's 1/3, and 2/3 and 3/3. Now, I can use it this way, and it's stiff enough so that it doesn't wrinkle. But even more importantly, when this side gets full of sawdust, I can just flip it over, use the other side, and then to use the third, unfold it and refold it like that. This method allows me to use every square inch of the sandpaper. Now sometimes when it comes to sanding round objects, it's better to have a piece of sandpaper that's tougher and more flexible. My solution is to take a utility knife and cut a wide strip off a full sheet of sandpaper. Then apply duct tape to the back side of the paper. It's best to butt the edges of the tape against one another rather than overlapping them. Once I've covered the entire back with tape, I flip the paper over and, using a straight edge and utility knife, trim off the excess. Now I have a piece of sandpaper that's extra strong and quite bendable. This reinforcing makes the paper ideal for sanding dowels by wrapping it around the surface and pulling the ends back and forth. In fact, this tough, pliable sandpaper excels at sanding just about any round workpiece. So there you go, a couple of ideas on how to get more mileage out of your sandpaper.